Students, so previous classes exercise 4.3 question number 6 is completed. Exercise 4.3 question number 6. Now start question number 7. Exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3 question number 7. 7th is Yamini and Fatima, two students of class 9th of a school, together contributed rupees 100 towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund. Together, दोनों एक साथ कंट्रीब्यूट किए 100 रुपीज़ 100 to the help earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfied this data. You may take their contribution x and y, that is given the contribution together rupees 100. So suppose contribution of Yamini be rupees x and Fatima be rupees y. ये इजी है, सपोज कर लोगे. सो x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 100. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इजी. यू सपोज contribution of Yamini be rupees x and contribution of Fatima is equal to rupees y. So x plus y is equal to 100. ये सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन बन जाएगा ये. Then draw its graph. Now question number 8th, that is question number 7th equation is x plus y is equal to 100, where x is the contribution of Fatima and y is the contribution of x is contribution of Yamini and y is the contribution of Fatima. इसका ग्राफ ड्रॉ कर लोगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, in countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India it is measured in Celsius. Fahrenheit and Celsius, these are the two units of a measure of a temperature. So here given USA and Canada measure Fahrenheit and India measure Celsius. Here is a linear equation that convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. That is here given relation between Fahrenheit and Celsius. So it is given F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. 9 by 5 C plus 32. So it is a relation between F and C. First point, draw the graph of a linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. That is, you treat C for x-axis and F for y-axis and draw the graph. So for graph, first add value C means the value of x, and F that is the value of y. So find any three solutions. So first put C is equal to 0. When put C is equal to 0, whole term is 0, then plus 32. So F is equal to 32. So this C, that is x. So the value of C taking on x-axis and the value of F taking on y-axis. Next value, suppose C is equal to 5. C suppose कर लिए 5. क्यों suppose किए 5? Because this 5 cancel, easy होगा calculation. तो आप C value put करोगे 5 cancel. So F is equal to 9 by 5 into 5 plus 32. So cancel, 9 plus 32 is 41. So F is equal to 41. Now suppose C is equal to 10, that is the value of C. Suppose multiple of 5, calculation is easy. So put here C is equal to 10. So F is equal to 9 by 5 into 10 plus 32. This is cancelled, 2 9 2 जा 18, 18 plus 32, that is 50. 3 value given. Now draw x axis and y axis and then draw the graph. So for graph, suppose this is y axis, this one is x axis, y axis, x axis. Since on x axis highest value is 50, so suppose 1 unit is equal to 5. 1 unit is equal to suppose कर रहे हैं 5, that is 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, that is 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40 45 50. Here also suppose 5 10 15 and take any point. When x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 32. X is equal to 0 here, y is equal to, their value is interchange. Y axis, the value of x and y both are interchange. So the length of y axis is longer side because the value of y is maximum 50. X axis, x dash, y and y dash. Here origin 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, because y axis from 32 to 50. So write here 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40 45 50 and write here 5 10 15 and 20. 5 इंटरवल सपोज कर रहे हैं बिकॉज आपको मैक्सिमम वैल्यू क्या रहना है 50 एंड एक्स एक्सिस ऑल्सो मल्टीपल ऑफ द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स इज ऑल्सो मल्टीपल ऑफ 5. सो 1 यूनिट इज इक्वल टू सपोज 5 क्यों सपोज किया समझ में आ रहा है, क्योंकि एक्स एक्सिस का जो वैल्यू है मल्टीपल ऑफ 5 और वाई एक्सिस मैक्सिमम वैल्यू 50, तो 5 सपोज करेंगे वो लिमिट के अंदर आ जाएगा 50. Okay, so x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 32. X is equal to 0, then y is 30. This here, you see that in a graph paper, each centimeter divide it into 10 smaller part. आप देखोगे इसके बीच में कितने पार्ट डिवाइड किया हुआ है, 10 smaller part. So this 10 smaller part is equal to 5. So 2 smaller part is equal to 1. ग्राफ पेपर में देखोगे 1 सेंटीमीटर के बीच में डिवाइड किया हुआ है 10 स्मॉलर पार्ट एंड 10 स्मॉलर पार्ट इज इक्वल टू क्या सपोज कर लिए 5. सो 2 स्मॉलर पार्ट इज इक्वल टू 1. सो हियर 32, दिस वन इज 30, देन टेकिंग 4 स्मॉलर पार्ट, दिस वन इज ए 32, दिस 1 पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट 5 and 41, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 41, this is a 40, taking 2 smaller part, so this point is 41 and 10 पे 50, x equal to 10, then y is equal to 50, this one. To join all these 3 points, this is the graph of equation given. Now second point is, if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, that is the value of C is given 30, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit, that is find F. So for second part, C given 30 degree, now find F. So put here C, suppose this equation is first. So first imply F is equal to 9 by 5 into C, C that is 30 plus 32, 5 से कैंसिल करेंगे 6, 9 6 जा 54 plus 32, 4 to 6 and 5 plus 3 8. So the value of F is equal to 86. And third, same as if the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, that is F given. What is the temperature in Celsius? That is find C. F given and find C. For third, here F is equal to given 95 degree Fahrenheit. Put the value of F here and find the value of C. So equation 1 imply here F is equal to, the value of F given, the value of F is 95 is equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. Here find the value of C. So for C, this 32 taking left side. So 95 minus 32 is equal to 9 by 5C. Now subtract 5 minus 2, 3, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 3, 6 is equal to 9 by 5 into C. So therefore C is equal to this 5 taking left side becomes multiply and by 9, 9 7 ja, and 7 into 5 is equal to 35 degree Celsius. So C आ गया 35. Similarly fourth part, if the temperature is 0 degree Celsius, C given, then what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? That is F find कर लोगे. Put C 0 and find the value of F. And if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, that is F given 0, then what is the temperature in Celsius? That is find the value of C. Same निकल जाएंगे. So this exercise 4.3 completed. Now start next topic. Equation of lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. Equation of lines. Equation of lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Equation of lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis. So draw x-axis. X dash, y dash, origin 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 1 2 3 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 1 2 3. This minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. This is the axis. Now draw a line which is parallel to x-axis and draw the also line parallel to y-axis. So this is a line, this line is parallel to y-axis, this also a line is parallel to y-axis. Now what is the equation of this line? For the equation of this line, what is the value of x this point? इस पॉइंट पे x की वैल्यू क्या होगा? 1. इस पॉइंट पे x की वैल्यू क्या होगा? 1. इस पॉइंट पे भी x की वैल्यू क्या होगा? 1. Also here the value of x 1. So equation of this line is x is equal to 1 because ये whole line पे x के value क्या है? 1 1 1. Similarly the value of x here 4, the value of x here also 4, here also 4, here the value of x also 4. So equation of this line is x is equal to 4, that is x is equal to some constant. So x is equal to some constant is the equation of line which is parallel to y axis. So equation of line parallel to y axis is x is equal to some constant a. X is equal to some constant a. Here a is equal to 1, here a is equal to 4, that is both are constant. Similarly, draw this line which is parallel to x axis, this also parallel to x axis, this also parallel to x axis, and what is the y coordinate of here? Y coordinate 1, here y coordinate 1, here y coordinate 1. So equation of this line is y is equal to 1, because इस line पे y का coordinate क्या है? 1 1 1. Similarly, the coordinate of y here 3. Similarly here also 3. The value of y 3. Here also value of y 3. So equation of this line is y is equal to 3. Similarly here the value of y is -3, here also -3, here -3. So equation of this line is y is equal to -3. That is equation of line parallel to x axis is y is equal to some constant, y is equal to some constant, y is equal to some constant. So equation of line parallel to x axis is y is equal to some constant b. Y is equal to some constant b. This is the equation of a line. So now exercise 4.4. Now exercise 4.4. Exercise 4.4. Give the geometric expression y is equal to 3 as an equation first in one variable. Give the geometric representation in one variable. Question number 1, equation is given y is equal to 3. Give the geometric representation of y is equal to 3 as an equation in one variable. Geometric representation. Here y is equal to 3. So its geometric representation is this is a line, or this is a line, or draw any line. Suppose karo this one line 0 1 2 3 -1 and so on. Here y is equal to 3. This is the value of y is equal to 3. Here y is equal to 3. So this is the geometrical representation, y is equal to 3. Second, this is one variable. Second, in two variable. This one is first part. Second part in two variable. So 2 variable y is equal to 3. 2 variable for draw both axis, x axis and y axis. This x, x dash, y and y dash. So draw the graph of y is equal to 3 in 2 variable. So y is equal to 3, graph of y is equal to 3 is parallel to the x axis. अभी बताया previous example में, graph y is equal to 3 is parallel to x axis. Suppose here x1, so suppose this is the graph of y is equal to 3. So this is the geometrical representation in 2 variable and this is the representation in 1 variable. Same question number 2, give the geometric representation 2x plus 9 is equal to 0 and 1 variable and in 2 variable. Same as, तो आप 4.4 ही लगा लोगे, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 कंप्लीट कर लोगे. So this exercise, this chapter completed, linear equation in 2 variable completed. Okay.